Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Is your Blink camera blinking red and not working properly? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. A blinking red light usually means your camera is offline, has no internet, or there's a setup issue, but the good news? You can fix it in minutes. Section 1. What does the red light mean? Before fixing it, let's understand the problem. Flashing red light equals no internet connection. Solid red light equals setup failed. Red plus blue blinking equals trying to connect. Now let's fix it step by step. Section 2. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is working. Steps. Restart your router. Move camera closer to Wi-Fi. Avoid thick walls or interference. Section 3. Fix 2. Check battery. A weak battery can also cause blinking red light. Steps. Replace with fresh lithium batteries. Avoid rechargeable batteries. Low power equals connection problems. Section 4. Fix 3. Restart the camera. Try a quick restart. Steps. Remove batteries. Wait 10 seconds. Insert them again. This simple trick solves most issues. Section 5. Fix 4. Reconnect to app. If the problem continues, reconnect your camera. Steps. Open Blink app. Remove the device. Add it again. Scan QR code. Conclusion. So that's how you fix the Blink camera blinking red light in 2026. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment your issue below. I'll help you out. Fix your tech, save your time, stay smart.